Major change to U.S. immigration policy took effect overnight. President Biden's executive order prevents migrants from seeking asylum at the U.S.-Mexico border when daily crossings reach 2,500 people. In May, the U.S. Border Patrol recorded a daily average of 3,800 crossings. The initiative comes as immigration is expected to be a major issue ahead of the November presidential election.
This ban will remain in place until the number of people trying to enter illegally is reduced to a level that our system can effectively manage.
Why didn't you do this in 2021? Why didn't you do this in 2022?
If he was concerned about the border, he would have done this a long time ago.
The ACLU says it intends to sue, calling the president's ban on asylum illegal.
And in Delaware today, the jurors in Hunter Biden's federal gun trial, they could hear some deeply personal witness testimony today. Prosecutors could call Biden's ex-wife and other family members to the witness stand. CBS News correspondent Jared Hill has the latest.
In an intense day of opening statements, prosecutors used Hunter Biden's own voice as a key piece of evidence in their case against the president's son. First Lady Jill Biden, sitting behind him as an FBI agent, played clips from Hunter Biden's 2021 audiobook of his memoir, Beautiful Things, in which he details his crack addiction. The same year, he bought the gun at the center of the case.
I used my superpower, finding crack anytime, anywhere, less than a day after landing at LAX in the spring of 2018.
Prosecutors will tell you that there are few things more effective before a jury than being able to show the jury what the defendant said. In this case, hearing the defendant's own voice describing his struggles with addiction and the fact that he was using illegal controlled substances right around the time he bought this gun.
Hunter Biden has pleaded not guilty to felony charges. He made false statements on a federal background form by not acknowledging his drug use when applying for a handgun in October of 2018, then possessing it illegally. Biden's defense argued the president's son didn't knowingly make false statements because he was seeking sobriety, and like other addicts, experienced a deep state of denial.
They're really trying to paint Hunter Biden as someone who was making good faith effort to get himself clean.
If convicted, Hunter Biden could face up to 25 years in prison. Jared Hill, CBS News.